Next customer, please. Good morning, sir. What do you want? You want to withdraw? Oh, yeah, come now. Come on, withdraw. Come on, withdraw. Madam, what is it? You want to sneeze? Don't sneeze in this place, oh. Oga, close down your mouth if you cough, yeah.